Prior to this, I worked at a company called St. Jude Medical, and one of our product lines was a pediatric implantable heart valve, 0.5 centimeter to 1.5 centimeters in diameter. And the way that St. Jude got this done was when there was a kid that needed a new heart valve, the doc would call into the home office, say they call in on a Wednesday. By Thursday, the SWAT team of people would be put together. They'd come in and build that valve all weekend. And by Monday, they'd ship it out to the hospital, and it'd be put in on an as-needed basis. A couple interesting things come out of looking at that scenario. One is that St. Jude Medical made no money on pediatric medical devices, but they understood there was a real need there. The reason they made no money is because it was very hard for them to turn it into a business. Why was it hard for them to turn it into a business? Because there was a lot of well-intended people interested in working on it, but ultimately not that much need, as Kevin said. The other thing is that instead of having a broad-based email go out, anybody would like to help on this, please sign up on the list, there was a dedicated SWAT team of people. And the reason that was is because it is very hard to aggregate the volunteer work of large bodies of individuals. What I see is really unique about this Interactive Idea campaign it is a way to aggregate limited amount of input and work from a broad swath of individuals and condense or boil down that input and that work into an actionable result, which is the best idea for the best unmet clinical need with a broad-based support network already around it. The goal is that will be a sufficient nidus to initiate further steps of enterprise formation, which are creating a business plan, creating a prototype, raising money, and ultimately finding a way to build businesses for pediatric medical devices.